This session, we're going to discuss WORLDPAC speedDIAL in your system. So here I have in my online suppliers WORLDPAC speedDIAL, and I'm going to double click and open this up. One of the settings you want to make sure you do in here is under supplier connection setting, is to check the box for prefer to use VIN. So this way it'll pull the VIN across, it'll pick the specified vehicle a little bit quicker for you. Now, if you're in the habit of not putting a VIN in the vehicle, so you want to uncheck the box. So I'm going to select the OK. And I do have this at the top of the list, so this will launch first. So once I have it set, I just hit save and it's ready to go. Go to ticket here. Here I have 3 jobs on here, some parts and labor. And let's see how this is going to work. Now I have not launched my speedDIAL as yet. So when I go to box it in and start my catalog lookup, it's going to go straight to the labor, pick up our labor. And then when I hit apply, it's going to launch the speedDIAL. So we do have to wait for this to kind of load up here. Now again, once you have it loaded, then what's going to happen is you will keep it loaded up and not close it out. So you'll notice it brought over the vehicle, has the VIN here. Immediately started looking for the parts. So I want to go look for this air mass sensor. I'm going to go down and hit price, see what they have. Here they have 3 available of each, and we're just going to go pick one. Now to bring this back to the work order, I just click the little plus sign that exports it back. Now notice what I do here. I'm not going to actually close this. I'm just going to minimize it. Here it's brought it back. Now again, at this time, as soon as I bring it back, what the system is going to do is it's immediately going to search in this part number here if I have it in inventory. So if you do happen to have that part number in inventory, it will tell you right here. And then when you hit apply, it'll give you the option of either pulling it from inventory or ordering. So we're going to apply. Now we go to the next line. There's my air filter. Apply. Pulls up the air filter. Price it out. Pick which one I want to price out. And hit apply. See, it's just working its way down the list. And we'll go look for a belt here. Let's go get a belt labor. Now notice it didn't bring up a belt this time. And here's the reason why. The way it searches in WORLDPAC differentiated what the actual part is. In other words, the search criteria that was in that package did not match up with the WORLDPAC search criteria. So what I'm going to do here is just change my search. So if I go type in belt, for example, and hit enter, let's see what comes up. See, they call it a drive belt, not a serpentine belt. So I hit price, pick which belt I want to do. And then apply. So here I have pulled across 3 different parts. I go down to my purchases when I'm ready to order. Here will be waiting to be ordered. Click on WORLDPAC or any one of my parts, doesn't matter which one. And I'm going to hit place order. Now, one thing about WORLDPAC here at this stage, it will force you to put something in this message. So I'm just going to put here, it's just a Nissan or something like that. The reference number is the work order number. Place order. Takes me back to WORLDPAC. And now I'm going to check out. and submit. Now it's going to bring back the order number. That should end up being the actual supplier invoice number. I'm going to hit OK. Again, minimize. Hit OK. Now it moves it down to order confirmed, confirmation number, date, timestamp, and I'm just waiting for the parts to arrive. So as soon as they arrive, I'm just going to go straight to my purchases, select a part, any part, doesn't matter which one, open my purchase order. Here are all 3 parts. Now, again, if only a couple of them showed up so far, I just highlight what did show up and I can receive those selected items. If they all showed up, then no problem. Just hit receive all after you make sure that this supplier invoice number is correct. So hit receive all. Order received. Everything is completed. And notice at the bottom, I leave my speedDIAL open. I don't want to close it because I'm going to be in and out of that all day long. And that's how you use WORLDPAC speedDIAL.